Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Consumer Psychology week 5th assignment for 5.1. So the first question is which of the following is not an example of perception? So these are the options: sharing information, processing information, interpreting information, gathering information. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, perception is the way in which an individual gathers, processes and interprets information from the environment. So the answer of our first question is A, sharing information. Now, the second question is, does perception influence product evaluation through a halo effect? So, these are the options: social judgment theory, country image, pioneer brand, perceived value. So let's check the answer of our second question. So, question second, country image perception influence product evaluations through a halo effect. So, the answer of our second question is B, country country image. Now, the third question is, does refer to perception of trade-off between product benefit, example, product quality and monetary sacrifice. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, perceived value. So the answer of our third question is B, perceived value. Now the fourth question is, in psychology, does training involves teaching a person who instinctively responds identically to two stimuli to respond to each differently. So these are the option: modeling, generalization, switching, discrimination. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question four, discrimination. Training involves teaching a person who instinctively responds identically to two stimuli to respond to each differently. So the answer of our fourth question is D, discrimination. Now the fifth question is, does focuses on specific attributes of a product or service and how these attributes are understood and ultimately evaluated by consumers. So these are the option. And let's check the answer of our fifth question. So the answer of our fifth question is B, sensory perception. Now the sixth question is, cognitive theory is increasingly used by marketers to develop dash strategy. So these are the option: financial, production, marketing, sales. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, the value of cognitive theory to marketers, marketing. So the answer of our sixth question is C, marketing. Now the seventh question is, brand switching is the dash brand loyalty. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, brand switching. So the answer of our seventh question is A, conserve, converse of. Now the eighth question is, dash cannot be gauged with the same accuracy as stimulus factors. So these are the option: physical factor, external response factor, internal response factor, all of the above. So the answer of our eighth question is C, internal response factor. Now the ninth question is, the concept of dash are important not only in helping us understand how consumers perceived prices, but also in conducting consumer research to measure the size of the assimilation region around a particular reference price. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, the assimilation region is the area around the referent in which the incoming information is categorized as similar to that referent. The constant region is the area in which the incoming information is categorized as different from the referent. So the answer of our ninth question is A, assimilation and contrast. Now the 10th question is, when the perceived product has to conform to a set of necessary attributes before it can be put into a certain category, the consumer is using dash. So these are the option. And let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, in analytic categorization, the perceived product has to conform to a set of necessary attributes before it can be put into a certain category. So the answer of our 10th question is C, analytic categorization. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.